The temperature, airflow, air distribution, and type of air conditioning can be set individually for the front occupants. Vehicles with 4-zone air conditioning also include controls for the 2 rear occupants. A number of controls are on the front center console. Additional controls are on the PCM touch display. On the center console, push the temperature control rocker switches forward or backward to change the temperature. If the system is set to sync under the climate, air menus on the PCM touch display, the settings for all zones will be changed at the same time. The fan control switches manually raise and lower the fan speed. If equipped, this button activates individual seat heating. There are 3 levels as indicated by the red lights. If equipped, this button activates individual seat ventilation. There are 3 levels as indicated by the blue lights. The defroster buttons are next. The front defroster button is on the left. The rear defroster button is on the right. For rapid cabin cooling, the maximum air conditioning or AC max button is on the passenger's side. Finally, the recirculate button is on the far right. Under the climate menu on the PCM touch display, there are a number of climate controls available. You can go directly to the climate controls by tapping the climate button at the top of the center console. You can also navigate through and select options by turning and pressing the rotary knob. The first submenu contains the air distribution controls. On the left, you can select the driver's side air distribution. In this example, the sync function is off, so settings apply only to the driver's side. Pressing the sync button synchronizes the 2 front occupant zones and, if equipped, the rear climate control zones. You can activate or deactivate the upper ventilation panel here, and activate or deactivate the center vent here. You can also turn the fan on and off. And you can turn the air conditioning on and off. The vent button gives the driver or passenger access to the center vent controls. They can be manually moved, the airflow can be adjusted, and 2 vent profiles can be selected, focused or diffused. The comfort menu provides 3 pre-configured airflow styles for different vents. You can return to the previous screen by tapping the back arrow. You can also set auto air recirculation here, and select Eco mode here. The ionizer can improve air quality inside the vehicle if you are driving through areas of poor air quality. If equipped, the last menu is for rear seat controls. The rear seat zone can be controlled from this menu or from the rear touch display controls. See your owner's manual for more detailed information about each feature.